I know I haven't placed a review in a while. Hold up. Let me go to the review.
Let me try. Oh, rub that subscribe button like I'm rubbing daily. Subscribe! I'm just gonna go get it on myself. Rub that out. A few moments later. Hey guys, can I draw the picture? If you don't feel like sharing all your pizza with your friends, pay attention to this next life hack. Step 1, cut yourself a huge slice right down the middle. And once you reconnect the pizza, continue slicing it like nothing ever happened. They are never going to know. And you can save yourself the biggest slice.
You're never gonna try this on me though, right?
No, because we're not even friends.
Hell!
For the next life hack, if you don't want that to happen to you, you can actually use the back of the hammer to hold it down for the first swing. Dang, that actually worked. How's that actually?
Okay, I'm back. So like I was saying, I know I haven't done a face review in a while, but they came. So this is a pet video. So this is how you treat your yeeps plushie properly. First, what you're gonna want to do is throw it across your room first if it's being bad. But if it's being good, just give it a belly rub. And then you're gonna get it thing and hold it. And then make him throw it. He's teleported. So I'm gonna go be right back. I'm gonna get that plushie and put him on. So, I got the orange and pink too. See? Peach and piggy. Well, this is not peach. Well, this is not pink. This is basically like purple. Wait. They don't really want. So, I know I haven't been doing this in a while. I know. But we're finally going to show you how you treat your pets properly. So, if you have the blue one right now, you're in good luck. If you're watch this video if you have a yeeps plush. So, just pick it up like that and throw it up and catch it. And then you're going to want to unzip its belly and then take all its belly things out. First, you're going to want to get it. You're going to get it portable. So, the portable's right here. I have two portables. Where's the second one? Oh, here it is. You're going to need two for this. So, put one in one hand and put another in a hand. So as you can see, I didn't get them in the hand because it won't work that much. Because I don't know where its hitbox is. I can feel the magnets, but I just don't know where the hitbox is. Hitbox. Well, I couldn't put the second one. You can just use one if you'd like. So, I thought this would look better, but it looks bad. Their eyes are the same. The color, they're supposed to be different. But, you're going to want to get the portable and then cover it up. Wait. I didn't. Oh, it said you could put it on the head. It won't work. It's probably because the magnets are different. All right, I'm check. Yep, the magnets are different. I know the zipper was supposed to be a button. It's like that. So, if it dropped, that's okay. Don't shake it around. If it's like this, you're okay. Then you're gonna wanna just go up and down with his hand. And then, so what you're going to want to do is get another one. So get 2. And then do the ring-a-ring-a-ring dance with them. Don't wanna do forget that. Don't wanna do forget that. Ding-a-ding-a-doo-da-ba-ba, do-da-see-da. Then they hang us on cat. Do what the hair below. Yeah, no, 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 sing along with this. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. Okay, now what you're gonna want to do after is have them a dance battle. No, I'm a beat. I'm a beat you. No, I'm a beat you. 3, 2, 1, go. And the baby tortilla, venga todo y tanguita, venga sopa, venga sopa. Then you're gonna want to get the other one, which is God. This is the gold one, basically. So then just put him down, like make him like he's flying. Oh, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. If you have the gorilla plush, get off this video because I have it. So, if you have the pencil, get the pencil. And then just write on them. And give them a little tattoo. There. And then you're done. Bye-bye. Scroll to the next video. Go to the next video.